Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 345. So reverse vowels of a string. So it's very similar to the previous question, but this time reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So in case of hello, we're going to be returning HOLLE. We're going to take our first vowel, which is E, and first from the last, from the reverse side, and we're gonna swap it. So just like that, we're gonna be doing that. So for that, we're gonna have a sanity check here. If the s is equal to null, or the s dot length is the string, so it's gonna be parentheses. If that length is equal to 0, we're gonna be returning just whatever we get. Okay, once we are also, we're gonna have our list of vowels. For that, we can just create a string vowels, which is equal to A, E, I, O, U, right? And it can be lowercase or uppercase, so we're gonna say A, E, I, O, U. Okay, once we have our list, we're gonna say, in order to process all the characters of the string, we're gonna say character array cars. We're gonna change s to char array. Okay, now again, just like previously, our start is gonna point to the next one. Our end is gonna be the where the string ends. So while our start is still less than end, we're gonna process that. Okay, now what we're gonna be doing is, like, if it is not vowel, after the start is pointing to something which is not a vowel, we want to ignore it. So the start is less than n, and the vowels, right, contains that character, that characters so characters start, right? And that is like, that is one character, and we are actually comparing it with this one. So basically we want to make it a string. So if that is not the case, right, if that is not the case, we're gonna keep incrementing start. We're gonna do very similar thing to the end. While the start is less than n, and that vowels dot contains characters of n plus, I'm gonna change it to a string. So that being said, we're gonna say n negative negative. Okay, and last thing is that we wanna just swap it, characters at start. So we have our start saved, so we can update that to character at n, and finally we can update the ends is equal to 10. But this time we do want to return it, so we're going to be returning new string, and we want to take that characters and convert it to a string. Looking not good. Okay, the output we sent was HLL. Oh, we forgot to increment start and decrement end. Okay, let's check it out. So we did the sanity check over there, that is good. We created the vowel stringless, and then characters, we are changing the string to this one. Our indices start and end are pointing to the right things. We want to make sure that the start is less than n, and the vowels dot contains character at the start plus the string. We want to make sure if that is not the case, we want to increment that. And again, we didn't do the same thing over here. That would definitely give us the wrong answer. Looking good. And it works.